The original boy band, the Beatles, had a very distinctive guitar sound, and it came primarily from the Vox AC30. I've used the AC30 high boost, rolling out all the bottom end to try and reproduce that kind of lo-fi Beatles recording sound. Sadly, they didn't have Pro Tools back then. I've gone quite high-tech with the reverb to give you a nice kind of crystally sound, and then gone back to the grey compressor, quite high level, but quite low sustain, to kind of reproduce that John Lennon, George Harrison kind of lead rhythm sound.